Our liners provide safe and secure flow, whether beneath the streets of a major metropolitan area or a busy intersection, like here in the city of Ulm in southern Germany, where the challenge is to restore yet another decayed and worn-out pipeline. Digging up the pipeline is not an option here, since the infrastructure needs to remain intact. With the old traditional techniques, this would not be possible, but here the installation team is about to complete the process in just 5 hours. They start off the morning with a high pressurized cleaning. Now the team is able to inspect the old line with a CCTV camera. As the camera team packs up and leaves, the gliding foil is placed into the pipe in order to ensure a smooth insertion of the impreg liner. The liner comes ready to install and wrapped in yellow plastic coating to protect it against the sun's ultraviolet rays. The team then carefully inserts the liner into the 30-meter-long pipeline. A UV light chain is sealed inside the liner with airtight metal caps. High pressurized air is blown into the liner, allowing the light train to move freely. The light train is pulled into position and the air pressure is increased to curing point. The UV light chain is initiated and pulled through the liner. "20 minutes later, the ultraviolet light has cured and hardened the fiberglass. And as the inner foil is being removed, pressure tests are done to make sure the new impreg liner is performing at its maximum potential.